Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about another girl that have been found hanging, and her name is Naomi Jones. These spike of supposedly children suicide and cases are very alarming, especially now with a pandemic going on, and especially now with how much access they have to the internet. And might I say, kids these age are very vicious. Okay, they'll bully your children online. So much stuff happen online, and we as parents need to be very mindful, especially with our children going to school online. Anyways, let's get into the story. It says Michelle Henry looked with bewilderment at her house a day after her 8-year-old daughter was found inside hanging from a clothesline in Commodore St. Catherine on Sunday. Her face was a canvas of devastation and dumbfoundedness as she retraced the steps that led her to her saddest moment, discovering the dangling body of little Naomi Jones on Saturday. "We have to leave from here as just bare bad memory I got through my mind," Henry told the Gleaner on Sunday evening. "Right now, even the children say they don't want to stay here cause them afraid of the house," Henry said. Henry recounted that she left Naomi at home to assist her eldest daughter at a nearby gas station. Upon her return at 5 p.m., she saw the child hanging from the roof inside the house. Naomi's mother was in disbelief at the suspected suicide. "Me run hug her body and feel say it's still warm, and somebody then tell me that it look like she dead," Henry said. After her body was frantically cut loose, Naomi was rushed to the Linstead Hospital, where her family's worst fears were realized. The 8-year-old was pronounced dead. Henry told the Gleaner that Naomi had always wanted to become a fashion designer. The mother of five said that Naomi was playful yet focused on her schoolwork at Linstead Primary, where she was enrolled. Naomi was scheduled to start grade 3 when school reopened on October 5th. Lowell Walters described the child as full of potential. "She grew up here like my very own, always taking her mother's clothes and towels and pretending to be a fashion designer while playing with my daughter, who is of the same age," he said. Linstead Police in the St. Catherine North Division have launched an investigation into the child's death. And this is a third child in about 3 weeks that have supposedly died from suicide. I'm gonna say this again. This is the same thing that we saw happening with the domestic violence killings with women in Jamaica. It was one each week, and then it started to spring out of control. Now I feel like this is starting to become a trend where our children are concerned. They're so-called committing suicide, and I'm not really sure if they're committing suicide or there's just some crazy person out there that's going through mental issues and killing these children, watching them and killing them, or they are victims of abuse and the abuser know that they're going to tell, and they just kill them and use the whole suicide thing to get away with it. Honestly, in this pandemic, parents really need to watch their kids. They need to watch their time online, watch what they're doing online, search them history, make sure they're not being bullied online, and also make sure you're a parent that your children can go to and talk about anything. If they're being abused, if they saw something that they're not supposed to see, whatever the case may be, we as children, especially now in a pandemic where this is their new normal, everything is online, we need to be watching our children like hawks and also watching what they're consuming on a daily basis. I don't understand what it is with these 3 girls dying within 3 weeks, and I hope it's not a trend. I hope they nip this in the bud as soon as possible. But if they make this get out of hand, I feel like this is going to become a trend. And I've seen this happen before where one person died, another person died the next week, and then it just started to spike out of control. I don't know if these parents are under immense pressure with all their kids being at home, and they're doing something to their kids and then pretending that the children committed suicide. I do not know what to say, but these cases need to be nipped in the bud as soon as possible, because we don't want a spike in our children dying. We already have enough issues with our youth in Jamaica, and suicide do not need to be one of them. So what are your thoughts? Comment your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.